30 years ago, talahiban tong area na to. Pinasok ko ito because I had a dream as a young mayor of Mlang na sana pagdating ng panahon ay magkakaroon ng sariling airport ang lalawigan ng North Cotabato. Well, I was able to start it. In 2003, the provincial government under my leadership started the Central Mindanao Airport project. By 2009, this runway was completed, and this was inaugurated by then-President Gloria Macapagal-Arroyo. Sadly, today, 15 years after it was inaugurated, this airport remains inoperational, a victim of political vindictiveness and petty politics. Ito po ang isang ehemplo ng magagandang proyekto na naging biktima ng politika sapagkat identified sa akin itong airport na ito, started by Manny Piñol, and my political adversaries do not want to see this succeed because they feel that the credit will go to me, which is wrong. The airport in Mlang is for the people of North Cotabato, and the credit should go to the people of North Cotabato. Long after I am gone, this airport will still serve the people of North Cotabato. This is beyond me. This is not Manny Piñol. This is for the people of North Cotabato. So sana, tigilan na natin yung petty politics, yung politika ng mga bata, at isipin natin ang kapakanan ng ating probinsya. Tapusin na natin itong airport na ito.